Good day to you all. The site I'm going to be walking you through is called Kriseven. Kriseven is an online shopping site. Although we are not going to be doing any shopping, what we're going to do is to play games and earn money. Yes, real money. All you need to do after your registration with the link I have sent to you, you come to Wingo. Yes, Wingo. Wingo is where we are going to be making all the money from. With just 1K registration, you can make thousands of naira easily with no stress. This is one of my accounts. As you can see, the balance here 6,000 naira. I made this within a day or two. Yeah, I think within a day. Yeah, with less work, 6,000 naira. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the color that will come next. You can see a timer here. This timer counts down 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes. So before the timer runs out, you're going to select color, maybe green. To play this now, as you can see 50 now, this is 1. You agree, you play this game for 50 now. If you want to play it for 100 now, you tap on this plus sign. This is 100 now. This is 150. That's how you play. 500. This is for 1. This is for 1,000. That's how you play. You click agree, then you continue. You can also play the numbers. You earn more playing numbers. If you select the number that comes next, let's say 1, you input the amount you want to play it. But numbers are a little bit harder to predict. Colors are easier because you are just predicting green and red. Now, how do you deposit from this site? It's that easy. Okay, see the countdown is off. I can't predict again. We'll wait for the results now. But let me show you how to deposit. Come to this place, my you can see my balance, available balance. So you click on here, and you're going to see the recharge button. Tap on the recharge button, input the 1,000, continue to recharge. Then you're going to fill in your payment information right here. Once your payment information is filled in, you tap the button, recharge. You're going to be directed to either recharge through your OP wallet, your bank card, or your Paystack. I recommend you use Paystack because it's more secured and it's safe. Then you continue with the payment. Then you use your bank card or your bank transfer or something.